The Punakins and who are song again. And then if the Redwood Kingfisher League team can come forward, please. Thank you. If the Redwood Kingfisher League team in here, you'd like to come forward, please. If they're not ready, if Naenae College tribute are ready, to come forward.
Hello, my name is Fui Fui. I'm one of Palei's schoolboys, or old schoolboys. You've all joined together, people from Naenae College and other friends of BAH. One of the first memories I have of BAH, or funniest memories I have of BAH, was down there at the Tonga Church. It's the first time I went there for cover. We went down with some of the boys. We went in there and BAH was one of the first people that I saw there. I went in there to go give him a hug and he gave me the Eagles, shook my hand, and he said, "Welcome to Tonga Hou. Tonight you're going to die." So I didn't know what to think. So drinking cover, about 9 o'clock, went until midnight, and then at 4 o'clock, and I remember I was falling asleep. And as I was falling asleep, I could see Pa just laughing at me. And I was falling asleep, fell asleep, and then next thing I felt was a big ass snap at the back of my head. And I looked up and I was trying to look who done that. I looked to the side and it was Pa. He was like, hard enough. You're in my place now. So that's just the memory that I have with Pa. You know, he's always the cheeky one. But, you know, Pa touched a lot of people's lives and hearts. I just want to give my, you know, my love and prayers and strength to the Tuiano family, to Lama and Asinate, Aggie and the kids, and all the siblings and the family. You guys are not alone, and you've got a big family, and you know, you've got Patia for the support. And just praise God that Una and Sione made it through. You know, that I'll definitely look down on you guys. But for one of the other brothers that was the street story, I just want to please know they're all here for you guys.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Peter. Palei was one of my loyal friends from back when we went to Naenae College. I flew over from Australia just to be with you, Palei. As you were more than just a friend, but a brother to me and a lot of others. I've had a lot of awesome memories with Pa, a lot of first experiences, so many that I experienced with him. I can go on for hours talking about the kind of person he was. I think many of you already know Pa was the friendliest one of us. Thank you for uniting us together again after almost 10 years. Just before I finish off, we have an item we would like to share with you all, a tribute to our beloved brother. You will be sorely missed.
belong. Till we'll be